what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I do project videos weekly using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if you like those type of videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. Welcome to the project. And in this project, we are going to make some test tube planters for my mom. She has plants all over the house using test tubes and some 1/4-inch thick walnut. We have 4 sheets of walnut right here. Each sheet measures 6 by 12 inches and it's a 1/4-inch thick. We're gonna cut out a top and a bottom that has holes in them so the test tube will go through it. We got 0.98 inches, just say 1 inch. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how I made the top and the bottom. First thing I did was I just made a rectangle and we're gonna make it 11 by 2.5. We're just gonna make it a hairline. The next thing I did was I went over here to this nudge factor and I changed it to 1 inch. Then I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna make a circle. And remember the circle is gonna be 1 inch in diameter also. So let's change it right here. 1 inch circle. Selected everything like this, went to alignment. I centered it horizontally. Then I'm gonna center it vertically. I just took the circle, made a copy, paste, and then I just clicked it over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just go up here, do another paste. Then I just pressed over 1, 2 in the center. The reason why it's going over because we changed this nudge factor to 1 inch. It's gonna be 1 inch in between each of these because this is a 1 inch circle. So we're gonna do it again, paste, press over like that, edit, paste, 1, 2, like so. Let's select everything, make everything a hairline, make it easy. So now we gotta make the bottom. So what I did was I just copied the whole entire design and I did paste and I just moved it right to the bottom. And then what I did was I just took these and I just changed them to 0.7. And there you have the top and the bottom. Okay, we have the top and we have the bottom cut out. So basically, it's gonna go like this. The test tube go through the top and it's gonna sit in its slot at the bottom. So we're gonna measure the sides and I decided to go around 5 inches. So it's gonna sit about this tall right here. So it's gonna be 5 by 2.5, and in the front and the back is gonna be 11 by 5. I'm gonna cut out mom in the front, and I'm also gonna make one for the back. And we're just gonna use some wood glue to put it all together. The side pieces, very simple. Just made some rectangles, and I made them 2.5 by 5. And now I'm gonna show you how I made this mom design. We're gonna start with a new page, made a big rectangle, and I made it 11.5 inches by 5. Make it a hairline. We're gonna make a contour inside of, so let's go over here, get the contour tool, and we're gonna put a contour inside of it that's a 1/4-inch thick because that's the thick of the wood. So we're gonna change it right here to 0.25. We're gonna go 1 step and we're gonna go inside. So just press inside and it's gonna put a contour inside of it like so. We're gonna go up here to object. We're gonna break contour apart. Let's get our select tool. And I chose this font right here called Bebas. Just press OK, doesn't matter. Just click somewhere in there and we're gonna do mom. And what I did was I just stretched it as far as I could like so. Just like that. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. So we're gonna go up here to object, convert to curves. We're gonna put hairline around it and we're going to unfill it. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the entire design and we're going to center it like so and center it vertically like again. So basically looks like I did a really good job on this first try. So if you zoom in, you wanna get the letters just past that contour that we had created. You want to make sure all of the letters is right above it or like right in front of it like so. You see how these lines is like right here? There it is. You see how these lines is just right past that contour all the way around? That's what you want to do. Let's go over here and make it fit. So next thing we want to do, we want to go over here to this virtual segment delete tool. We're gonna zoom in and we're just gonna delete those lines where the letters is connected with the contour to make it a solid piece. And we're just gonna do this all the way around. Next thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna create a new page. Go back to the mom or this design or whatever you make. Go over here to the smart fill tool and you just wanna click inside of it like so, like that. And we're gonna take this smart fill, we're gonna cut it, go to the new page, paste it and unfill it. That way we know all of the pieces is connected, and this is what you wanna send to the Glowforge to cut out. Final piece is cut out. So I decided to just go with one piece to put on the front, and I'm gonna leave the back part open so you can see the water and you can also see the plant in the test tube. Time to put it together. One, two, three. Come on now. This turned out amazing. Like, my mom is gonna love this. She's gonna love this. I know she's gonna love this. She's gonna love this. And I think it was a really good idea to leave the back open like so, just so she can see how much water is in it, and she also can see the plants when they start to grow or whatever you do. However it is, I don't really know how it goes, but you'll be able to see it in the back. So I think that was a really good idea to leave the back open, but this turned out amazing. This turned out amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think. I love it, and I know she's gonna love it. And there you have it. Laser cut test tube planter using the Glowforge. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Peace.